here, and the nigga come from behind me, out the staircase. Hang, 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 hang. It was already supposed to happen.
Well, listen, nigga, I don't know what kind of gun that is.
No.
Yo,
I don't know. That's a different kind of gun.
Whack, man.
You went to O Block? Kids, yeah, I went to O Block. I shit cold as shit, no block. It's 10 o'clock. Where the fuck y'all niggas at? I was there chilling.
Cause now we saw the surveillance video. You was there for like 30 seconds.
Nah, it was actually like for like 15.
What does it feel to be the richest rat in the world?
I mean, it feels pretty good. I mean, I put a lot of bad people away. I saved the world. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I'm like Batman at this point. You know what I'm trying to say?
So what is your advice to all these young kids out there that are trying to be gangsters?
Just do what I did. I mean, you be good. You make millions of dollars. You know what I'm saying? Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance. No, first night I got locked up. I watched Lone Survivor. And I was like, I'm definitely snitching, right? and then, no, seriously.
So from the jump, you
like,
laid down and you were stuffing your pillow. You're like, nah, it ain't gonna be long.